I swear my apartment is haunted, but not by anything scary. Last night, I'm lying in bed, minding my own business, when I hear this weird noise coming from my kitchen. Not like a normal noise, no. It sounded like someone smacking their lips and whispering, snacks. At first, I thought it was my stomach, but then I remembered. I'm broke. My stomach hasn't been fed enough to make any noises. So I grab the nearest weapon, a slipper, and sneak into the kitchen like a discount ninja. The light flickers on and I freeze. My fridge door is wide open. Inside, something is moving, like wiggling, like dancing. I lean closer, and that's when I see it. My leftover slice of pizza is gone. Now I'm panicking. Not because of a ghost, but because that was my last slice. My emotional support slice. Suddenly, I hear a crunch. I spin around and scream. Who's there? From behind the table, a little head pops up. Big eyes. Fluffy fur. Chubby cheeks full of my pizza. It's a raccoon. Fat raccoon. This thing looks like it pays rent. It stares at me like I'm the one who broke into its house. We lock eyes for a solid 5 seconds. Then it just waddles past me, climbs onto the windowsill, and leaves through a hole I didn't even know existed. Takes the pizza with him too, doesn't even say thank you. I stand there in shock, holding my slipper like a useless weapon. And the worst part? This morning I told my landlord what happened, hoping he'd fix the hole. You know what he said? He goes, "Oh yeah, that raccoon? That's Benny. He's been living here longer than most tenants. Honestly, he's pretty chill. Just don't leave food out." Sir, I did not leave food out. Benny stole it out of the fridge like a little furry criminal. And as I'm getting ready to leave, the landlord adds, "If you want your pizza back, try knocking on apartment 2A. That's where he keeps his stash." So now apparently the raccoon has neighbors.